If you're looking for expansion in Greenfield or Brownfield projects, especially in apparel, garments, home textile, and footwear segment, we are one point of contact for all the solutions related to the project that you want to do. We have experience of more than 40 projects, and every year we do around 6 to 8 projects. We have made facilities which are mid to large size facilities for products like comforters, quilts, shoes, garments, tops, as well as bedsheet factories. These factories are the modern facilities which are compliant from the international standpoint. Any buyer, be it the Walmart, Target, Costco, or IKEA, these factories are compliant for those things. We help you from scratch to make these factories. We help in designing the layout of the factory to final execution and implementation of these factories. We handhold you in each and every details, be it manpower, machine, technology, automation, and even designing the warehouses space so that your raw material and finished goods are aligned to your day-to-day working. So reach out to us for any of such requirement that you have for projects which are related to Greenfield, Brownfield projects in home textile, apparel, garments, and footwear industry.